How to fix TikTok not letting upload your profile picture. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily fix your TikTok profile picture upload problem. So if you're also unable to upload your profile picture for some reason, so first thing what you want to do is just open your TikTok application itself and make sure you are logged into account. Now simply select your profile icon from the bottom right corner and head over to the hamburger icon at the top right corner and simply select settings and privacy. And once you're inside here, just scroll all the way down until you see the option that is free of space. Simply select it and just clear the cache from over here. And once you clear it, now just restart your application and try to upload your profile picture on TikTok once again, and it will be fixed successfully. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.